Makto deal. Matagal na siya actually. But they're waiting for a perfect moment. And so I'm so happy. Every talaga is for a wonderful, perfect moment in time. Makto deal. Matagal na siya actually. But they're waiting for a perfect moment. And so I'm so happy. Every talaga is for a wonderful, perfect moment in time. Sarap, ate. Wow! Milangaw.
Opo, ma'am.
Akin na lang yung buto. Buto yung buto. Hindi pwede sa'yo yung buto. Kailangan may laman. Yung aso nga, hindi ko binibin ng buto eh. Okay. When I get my gift certificates, I promised I'm gonna spread it out like confetti. I have my spaghetti. So, wait lang. Tess, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Meron kang ano dyan? Headband. Headband. Nadidistract ako sa buhok ko. Today is my free day. Imagine, 2 days in a week I have a free day. I'm so happy. Usually my free days are once a week, only in a day. And then, nagkataon na 2 days ako this week. And I'm so happy. So, dito lang ako sa bahay. Wala akong balak lumabas. Mag-oiling hair ko. Kakain ako ng McDo. Happiness galore. And then, I'm obsessing about something that I didn't obsess about when I was a child. I'm gonna dig deep with Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm gonna do a Star Wars moment today. Because I never paid attention when I was younger. I'm just gonna wait till my hair is very oily. As in, hilach galore ako today. And that's all I plan to do. May fitting dapat din ulit ako today, but I moved it to tomorrow. And then, bukas magtatrabaho ulit ako. On Sunday magtatrabaho ako ulit, but I'm gonna celebrate that I finally have 2 days of the week na free day. Because every day, I wake up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Because I'm already filming I should be on set by 6:30, filming at 7 a.m. So, today is my free day. And I'm going to make the most out of it. And have my McDo moment. And don't forget, you have the rewards card. So, you have to download the app because every time you order McDo, may point yan. Girl math, guys. Tastes like childhood. Che, you want? Che? Come here. Pero ako sa'yo. Whenever I give. Push it up here. Okay. Up. Come here, Chicha. Come here. Chicha, come here. Here. Ayaw mo, it's hot dog. Ayaw niya. Kung si Panda yan. Pumayat na si Cheche. Cheche is here. Cheche along with Panda, Pochi, Purper, Khaleesi. Lahat sila nagkaroon ng leptospirosis. Wala naman kaming baha dito, pero feeling ko, ako yun. Because I did stuff. I went to certain areas na may baha. Because I had stuff to do. Points in heaven ko na yun. Ang kasalanan ko, nadala ko si Panda at si Pochi. Hindi nalagyan yung mga pantalon ko ng baha. Hindi nagkaroon sila ng leptospirosis. It's very dangerous for people. Ate Mitch! We got McDo! My ate is watching. You know? Sayang. Nagulat pa yung germs. You know, my outfit in McDo is yellow. Na-realize ko, wala akong yellow na Chanel. So, pag nakuha ko ni TF ko, siguro kailangan bumili ng yellow na Chanel. At saka Judith Lieber na french fries na ba? Feeling ko yun talaga eh. Yun na talaga. Intay-intay lang tayo. Pag dumating ng cheque. Char, na-justify. Hindi, joke lang. Mag-iipon na ako. Ang sarap. Nakakainis. But that's the plan today, people. Dito lang po ako sa bahay. Kakaan. Jade! Sis, may McDo na tayo! Pwede kaya yung GC ko sa, sa Paris? May Coke Zero tayo. Alam ko na, Coke Vanilla. Thanks, ganda. Actually, hindi pa ako makain today. Kasi naghilat ako. Tanam nangangati ako everywhere. Those are my hives. I have urticaria when I'm excited. And when I'm very, very happy or very, very sad. And today I'm very, very happy. So from here, nagkaroon ako ng urticaria there. And then nararamdaman ko magkakaroon ako somewhere here. What is your favorite i-order sa McDo? Can I ask? Ganda palagay naman sa pinagawa kong cup. Para masaya. Ano ang favorite niyo sa McDo? I know. I like the apple pie. Gusto mo? Okay. Konti lang ha. Kainin mo ba yan? No? You try? Cheche, you try ha? No? You want? Ayan no, anak ko. Nilagay ko na dyan. Try mo yan. What's your matcha? I have to try the matcha McFlurry. Actually, hindi ako masyadong mamatcha, pero na-try ko siya one time. Parang happiness naman siya. Thank you so much, ganda. Hillary! Nakuha natin si McDo! At dahil dyan, nagpagawa talaga ako ng McFlurry Oreo supremacy. I agree. Yes, hash brown is my favorite. Laking hash brown ako. Oh my God. Pumutok na siya. Naantok na ako. Ano pang favorite niyo? I know. I like it too. Paging McDo, make this available for us. Pinakostom ko siya. Tapos binigaro na siya sa akin ng videographer ko, si Tin. Cereal milk, yes, iced latte with cereal milk is back. Ang sarap. Hi, Fern! How are you? Ay, Check! Check my sis! That's Cheche. Mortal enemy ni Panda. Pero civil na sila ngayon. Wait. Sabi ko sa kanila, hindi nakakasosyal kung nag-aaway kayo. Lumalabas yung mga backgrounds. Yung mga upbringing. Si Panda, naabutan pa niya. Kasi baby pa siya. Pero minsan, may temperament. Si Cheche, talagang survivor of the fittest. Che, ilang boyfriend mo from the past? You can't count? Can't count? Cheche is from the construction side. Right, Cheche? Tapos, umiinom siya dun sa mga, what do you call that? Cemento ponds. Tapos, sa cemento ponds, dun siya umiinom. Nung na-save namin siya, na siya, filtered water na siya. Naloka yung system niya. Muntik na siyang mamatay. Nagkaroon siya ng kidney liver failure. Hindi niya nakayanan yung change of lifestyle. Pero nakasurvive siya. So ngayon, ganda-ganda lang siya dito sa bahay. Tapos, nagkaroon siya ng leptospirosis. Sis, wala siyang symptoms. Wala siyang symptoms. Sabi niya, I think I know this. Sabi niya, I think I've been down this road before. Wala siyang symptoms, pero I still brought her to the vet. Si Pochi naman, yung hotdog ko na dachshund ko, wala pang mga ilang hours, nagka-leptospirosis. Pak, suka na ng suka. I was like, what is going on? What is your immune system? What is your skin made out of? Cheche. Her skin, she has an epidermis of a pachyderm. Makapal na makapal ang kanyang balat. You want chicken. Sige anak. Since hindi ako kumakagat ng mga ugat-ugat ng chicken, sorry po. Hindi ko talaga kayang kagatin yung ugat-ugat sa kahit anong chicken. I shall give the ugat-ugat to you. You want the ugat-ugat? Okay, anak. I give you the ugat-ugat. Don't tell your dad I'm feeding you on the table. It's not very hygienic. You can have deleted, ahal. Spirit animal mo si Cheche. Bakit? Madami ka naging boyfriend? Or you have an epidermis of a pachyderm? You like it, Nina? I share you more. What else is your kwento, guys? That's done. I'm just gonna mix him with the crunchiness. On my plate. I love maklo. Now I'm gonna shift to my... Yes, makto pancake. Yes, the best. Oh my God. Kahit nabuhos yung sauce on top, iwanan mo lang siya kahit 1 hour, 2 hours after. I love it. It's so good. Ang harsh mo sa pokpok si Cheche. I'm sorry, hindi siya pokpok. Hindi siya nagpabayad. Ginawa niya out of love. Tess? Pokpok daw si Cheche. Totoo ba yun dati?
Sabi naman yun. Pati si Cheche Pokpok.
How can you say that? She's pokpok. Cheche, are you pokpok from before? Hindi ka naman nagpabayad. You did it out of love. Wala kang TF, hindi ka lumakad. Ano, Mina? Sarap? I'm sure I'm gonna get bashed because I'm eating with my cat on the table. As long as he doesn't eat on my plate. Charot. Kawawa naman. Paano ko susuwayin naman yan? All his life na kinawawa lang siya. Binuhusan pa yan ng mainit na tubig sa daan. Nahanap na lang yan. Nakadikit na yung balat niya sa lupa. Tapos hindi siya pwede sa lamesa. Kahit patungan niya yung lamesa ko, there's no problem at all. Kaya mo pa ba, Mina? No. You can't do that in front of everyone. It's our secret. Huy! Hindi ganun yun! Wait! Ada ka, alak. What else is your chika for me? Okay, last hugo kasi inaantok na ako. Hoy! Nako actually si Mina mababalunukan na dito. Stop it na, Mina. Okay na yun. Che, it's your turn to shine. Share tayo, Che. Share tayo? Share tayo? Gusto mo share tayo? Ay! Nakadata! Ay! Masarap na pa! Ayan na yung spaghetti! Pero nakadata pa rin! Ayaw ako pagpalit sa pagkain! Ayaw akong palit sa pagkain! Ayaw akong pagpalit sa pagkain! Kain mo spaghetti, Cheche, ayaw pagpalit sa pagkain. Go eat the spaghetti. Share kami sa spaghetti. Okay, guys. I feel the moment already. Pumutok na yung lason, matutulog na ako. Because I'm hilach day to day. Yes, I feel it. I'm naantok na now. As you can see, nag-watery na yung eyes ko. But I deserve it because For the first time, it is this day 2. I know. For the first time, I have 2 days in a week of rest. Hindi niya kinain. Ayaw niya. I think it's, just don't eat with your dog all the time. Kasi itong mga to, organic